BioloMix Stainless Steel 1 kg 19-in-1 Automatic Bread Maker. Elevate your baking game with the BioloMix 19-in-1 Automatic Bread Maker, designed for modern kitchens and perfect homemade bread. With its advanced features and sleek stainless steel design, this bread maker ensures fresh, healthy, and delicious bread every time. Key features: 1 kg capacity and 19 automatic programs. Bake the perfect loaf with 3 size options: 500 grams, 750 grams, and 1 kg. Choose from 19 versatile programs including quick bread, whole wheat, gluten-free, and jam. Enjoy the freedom to customize your baking experience to suit your preferences. Intelligent fruit and nut dispenser. The detachable fruit and nut dispenser automatically releases ingredients at the optimal time, adding flavor and texture effortlessly. Patented non-stick Teflon pan. The Teflon-coated pan ensures even baking, prevents sticking, and makes cleaning a breeze. Its chemical-free design guarantees healthier bread for your family. User-friendly controls and convenient functions. 15-hour delay timer, perfect for overnight baking or fresh morning bread. 1-hour automatic warm keeping, keeps bread warm and ready to serve. 15-minute power interruption recovery, ensures your baking is uninterrupted. Intuitive button panel, simple and easy to navigate. Sleek design with durability. Crafted with brushed stainless steel and a tempered glass lid, this bread maker adds elegance to any kitchen. Its no fingerprint treatment keeps it looking clean and stylish. Product advantages: 650W AC motor, provides stable, long-lasting performance. Built-in inner light, observe the baking process with ease. Dishwasher-safe non-stick pan, simplifies cleaning. Tempered glass lid, adds style and durability. One-button operation, hassle-free bread making for all. Easy bread making process. Add your favorite ingredients. Select the desired program and loaf size. Let the bread maker handle the mixing, kneading, fermenting, and baking. Enjoy perfectly baked bread every time. Why choose BioloMix? Healthier bread with no preservatives or chemicals. Fully automated for convenience. Stylish, durable, and versatile for any kitchen. Make baking at home easier, healthier, and more enjoyable with the BioloMix Stainless Steel 1 kg 19-in-1 Automatic Bread Maker. From crusty loaves to soft rolls and even gluten-free recipes, this bread maker does it all.